If you run an engineering or architecture firm, you know the absolute horror of managing remote contractors. You hire an expert 3D modeler, they quote you 40 hours for a project, and you get an invoice for exactly 40 hours. But deep down, a cynical voice asks, did they actually work for 40 hours? Or did I just pay for 25 hours of work and 15 hours of them watching Netflix while the mouse was jiggling? In the engineering world, ghost hours, unproductive time, billed as premium work drains up to 18% of project budgets. Today we are looking at how a mid-sized firm caught the ghost, plugged the drain, and saved $8,400. Vertex Engineering designs complex commercial HVAC layouts. They rely heavily on freelance CAD designers. The problem? Vertex was bidding on the fixed fee projects for clients, but paying contractors by the hour. If a contractor took too long on a blueprint, Vertex followed the cost. Even worse, when contractors worked offline, rendering massive 3D files, standard tracking software assumed they were idle and stopped recording. It was a mess. Project managers were spending around 40 hours a week playing detective, matching up invoice timestamps with file modification dates. They then installed DeskTrack. Vertex didn't need a spyware tool, they needed an accuracy tool. They utilized DeskTrack's document time looping and offline tracking. DeskTrack doesn't just care if a mouse is moving, it looks at the actual name of the file being worked on. Whether the designer is inside AutoCAD, Revit, or SolidWorks, and even if they go completely offline to render a massive file, DeskTrack tracks the exact second spent on a specific project file. When the internet reconnects, all that offline work syncs perfectly. No more guessing if a contractor was working on your blueprint or competitors. The data was eye-opening. DeskTrack revealed that one of Vertex's top contractors who was billing 40 hours a week, but document logs proved they were only actually working on Vertex files for 26 hours. The rest was fluff. By switching to data-backed invoicing via DeskTrack, contractor overbilling cut by 35% in the first month. Project managers' admin time reduced from 10 hours to 30 minutes in a week. Total monthly savings, a massive $8,400 straight back into Vertex's profit margin. Vertex can now bid on client projects with 100% confidence, knowing exactly how many hours a layout takes to complete. Stop paying for guesswork, ghost hours, and loose estimates. Protect your project margins and get a crystal clear picture of your team's output. Click in the link description right now to start your free 14-day trial of DeskTrack. Sign up today and let the data build your next big project. DeskTrack, precision tracking for precision work. Get your free trial today.